NZD USD. So here on the daily time frame, what do I personally see? I'm seeing here a swing high, low, higher high, and then a potential higher low. Pero we'll be waiting muna for additional confirmation. Bakit ba maganda tong level na to? Because previously this was a resistance, now turned into a potential support. Alright? And also if gagamitan natin ng ating Fibonacci retracement tool, andito din tayo sa magandang area to look for a buy. Now, ano yung pwede natin gagawin? Ano yung pwede natin gawin no sa ganitong klaseng price action is hindi to jump agad for a buy, but to go down sa ating lower time frame, which is a 4-hour pababa. Hourly, maybe you are using 15 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, and look for confirmation na tayo ay pupunta na pataas. Alright? So that's it for today, guys, and see you in our next video.